8 things that block your desires from manifesting. Well, in the last video, I talked about 5 ingredients that do allow your desires to manifest. And so now it's good to have full awareness of not only things that you're doing that allow them to manifest, but things you may be doing that is slowing them down. So let's have a look at these 8 things and see if you are doing any of them, and then you want to work on stop doing those things so that you have no interference. Because from this little image below here, if you have your energy in alignment, which means you're thinking good feeling thoughts, right, your positive energy, then you're allowing the flow of things that you want to come into your life. That's just a natural thing that happens when your dominant emotional energy through the day is positive. But if it's not, then you kind of create this out of alignment situation, and you can see the flow going through here would be much slower. And that is essentially what's happening when our desires are not manifesting, is we're creating this misalignment situation. And these are 8 ways that you could be doing it. So let's have a look. So not knowing how desires are born and turn to physical things. Well, that's not something we grow up with at all. And that's really about the creative process, isn't it? That 5-part cycle of asking, creating, allowing, manifesting, and receiving. And I go into that into different videos, but and my book of life, of course, covers that in great detail. And so you want to know that. You want to have great certainty about that, because if you're questioning how it is that happens, then you're wondering, well, are you doing the right things, for example? And that kind of those kinds of thoughts come into your mind. So you have uncertainty and doubt, which is low vibration, and then you end up with this misalignment down here. So you want to know that process. So you have the logical process, the understanding of how it really happens that things are manifesting. The next one is looking for the manifestation or signs of it. Well, if you're looking for it, then you're really not trusting the process. You're not trusting that feeling good is the currency that invites everything into your life, all those details. So then you're really feeling lack and absence and more uncertainty and doubt. So when you know the creative process and you trust it, then you're not looking. You're just enjoying each and every day, knowing that as you feel good, you're receiving parts of the path, and they're bringing you along to the receiving of the things that you want. And again, so much of the joy of life is in the receiving of the path of details. And so when you're confident about that, then you just go about your day doing what you want to do and enjoying those things and knowing everything is taken care of. So the next one is along the same lines, figuring out the details. If you are trying to figure out the how and the who and the where and the when, then you're not trusting the process. And there's some unworthiness in that as well, because you are figuring that it's all up to you, and it's not all up to you. You have very powerful resources working on your behalf, your inner being and the different laws of the universe. And they've got all that stuff, all those details all figured out for you. And so it's about the receiving. And again, that's feeling good, and trusting that feeling good is going to allow you to receive those details versus you figuring them out. So if you're trying to figure things out, then you're getting in the way, you're misaligning your energy, and you're causing everything to slow way down. Okay. Next one, negative focus on current physical reality. Well, as you look around at your life, do you find yourself feeling negative emotion about your current physical reality? If you are, then that's not positive energy, And so you're not a match to the things that you want, and you're not a match to the details that bring those things you want into your life. So you really want to stop allowing physical reality to be a reason for you to think that things are bad or not working out, or that you're stuck or powerless. It's not about any of that. The things that are going on in your life are all an indication of your vibration. And so, when things are unwanted, that it causes things to be wanted. So there's all kinds of reasons to feel good about everything and appreciate the positive aspects and whatnot. But if you're allowing current physical reality to be a source of negative feeling thoughts, then you really, again, got to get back to the creative process and understand how you can see those things differently so that you can see how they're serving you, and then you're going to feel good. But take a look at your current circumstances and see what your perspective is. If it's negative, then you're out of alignment here. The next one is using manifestation techniques. Well, when you use manifestation techniques, it's really a complete misunderstanding of how life works. Really, there's no other way to say it, because the way that it works is the creative process, the 5 parts to the creative process. So we know the asking is automatic. We know the creating is automatic. We know that when our dominant energy during the day is high vibration, that the things that we want are going to flow into our life automatically. It's just the natural way life is. There is nothing specific you have to do or to say to get things to manifest. If you're supplying dominant high vibration energy, those good feeling thoughts, then everything is going to work out for you, and everything is going to come to you in really nice ways. And that's the way life works. So if you want to think about techniques to use, think about techniques to feel good. Think about thinking techniques that allow you to be in good feeling, positive emotion. That's what you want. You want good feeling thought techniques. And then you're really on to something. But manifestation techniques, really, you want to really change your focus there to feeling good and allowing more than doing something to cause a manifestation to happen. Okay, so the next one is wondering about timing. Right? Are you like this person here, looking at your watch, wondering, where is that thing that you want? Why isn't it come yet? What are you doing wrong? See, all those questions are going to throw you into low vibration, and you're, again, out of alignment. But the thing is, with the creative process, you don't have to be concerned about timing, because your inner being takes care of all of that. And your desires are guaranteed. And when you trust that your inner being has set up a path that is comfortable and joyous and exciting for you, and you trust that, then you just go about your day and you do what you like to do, and you have fun doing the things that you want to do, and you know everything is taken care of, and so you're all good there. But if you're wondering about the timing, you're uncertain, you're doubting, and that's all lack. So again, you're out of alignment. Lacking in confidence, that has to do with unworthiness. So you want to feel good about yourself and have a good, strong self-image, and know that you are an extension of pure positive energy, and you have massive value in this universe. You are a born success, and you're born perfect and are perfect at all times. And so if you don't know that, then you lack in confidence, and that causes you to be unsure about having the things that you want, if you can have the things that you want. So that, again, is going to pull you into a low vibration and block the receiving of the details to receive your desires. And the last one on the list here is blaming, judging, and being critical. And you do those things when you don't feel good enough, and when you know life is working out for you, you don't have to do any of those things. But when you do these things, it indicates that you feel you're out of control. There's some powerlessness in there, unworthiness. And so that is low vibration stuff that has you out of alignment. And slowing down or blocking the receiving of the things that you want. So take note and see if you're doing any of this. And if you are, then you are not in that stream of high vibration energy that lets things flow into your life naturally. That's the way natural life is. And so you want to work on having these things go away from your daily life. You don't want to have these things as part of your daily life. You don't want to be doing any of these things. And if as you stop doing them, then you're allowing your vibration to be higher, and you're allowing yourself to receive the things that you want. Okay, that's the message for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and have yourself a great day.